Yeah, I am. I'm doing it right now. So,
Because we don't
you
have...
wanted to post it.
Kasi hindi tayo teleradyo ngayon eh.
Hindi nga, oo.
Dito ka sa tabi ko.
Sige, tabi
I
ka.
love you so much.
I know.
And I missed you. I actually had this hibernation and I was under house arrest
How?
because I have a boil in my ass.
Oh my
You
God.
really have to
said it on air.
I was boiling.
How was your hibernation doing?
It's real great. I enjoyed a lot of movies.
Good for you. I
Romeo
what-
and Juliet and Rio. I love this.
I think
Rio,
Rio's.
yeah.
I haven't watched Rio,
With
but
that rapper.
so you have 3D.
Jamie Foxx and
Yeah,
Will
Jamie
Iam
Foxx,
were
yes.
on Rio and
And they
Children.
did
and
the-
Hathaway.
And they did the original soundtrack as well, which they performed in American Idol. What?
Hi video.
High video.
I so love
Hi,
myself.
video. Hello. Yeah.
Again.
Whatever.
Also, you every Friday you'll be here.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, you're supposed to. We are again mandating you to do so.
Yeah,
Okay,
you're mandating me to do
Fridays.
so.
Fridays and
Well,
Fridays.
And on Fridays you'll be
With us.
with us.
So
And
It's voluntary, actually. You don't need to pay.
no, it's mandatory.
yeah.
mandatory.
Yeah,
Is this a school?
yeah.
Yeah.
School of
It is.
rock.
School of songs.
Okay,
School of
whatever.
songs.
School of news.
Anyway,
We're down to our 3 minutes.
we're gonna wrap up. What
Wow.
we're gonna wrap up what we were talking about a while ago, cause
What
we're talking about
American
the American Idol.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're talking about
Uh-huh.
American Idol.
As we were saying,
Too bad Haley wasn't able to.
you're Haley. You're
Adam Lambert should win again.
no, damn it.
What?
No to
You're
Adam
being
Lambert.
Sexist. I hate you.
No,
No,
it's
it's
not.
Okay.
I don't like. No, it's not actually.
We're talking about season 10.
Okay, whatever.
He didn't join again
Oh, no, because
for season
he's not allowed to join to
How about
again.
Cara Dioguardi singing?
I don't know. I haven't heard her voice.
I've seen her naked
No.
photos though.
I'm not interested.
Almost naked.
Almost
Oh, wow.
naked girls. No.
Okay, we're talking about American Idol, not
It's
naked
still
pictures.
American
Yeah.
Idol, like duh.
Yeah, she was.
Yeah.
She was. Part.
Do you think J-Lo and Steven Tyler
Good
was
judges?
successful?
Yeah, they were.
I prefer Steven Tyler.
Yeah, especially on auditions and his lines that he had thrown on.
You make Gaga's Lala go.
Yeah, it's the thing
Gaga's
is.
Yeah, go, Gaga. Yeah, go, Lala. Yeah, that's it.
I remember the
You
quote from him.
Yeah.
Bad and good thing.
n-
I love that. Seriously.
It's parang ano lang, it's
It's a
natural,
circle
it's
of
normal.
all.
It's what he says
I'm
every
good at
day.
being bad.
Yeah.
You know what?
Something
You
like
know what?
that.
Hearing Steven Tyler, J-Lo, especially Randy Jackson, giving all to
Advice
them.
or-
no, giving all. I mean, you are great. That's really something. Randy Jackson, come on,
Imagine
he's been
J-Lo's
producing.
butt talking.
You know what? He's been producing a lot of artists.
Yeah. Yeah, Randy
Boys
Jackson.
to Men, OMG, and then
Is that a kindergarten school? Boys to
N-
men.
yeah, from Easter Road to Bicotan.
Rico Blanco is now singing the Ateneo.
No,
Yeah.
that was like years ago.
No.
That was years ago.
New.
Yeah,
That's
and
not new because I
even if he's
downloaded
singing,
that
I still don't
2009.
like him performing.
Rico Blanco?
Yeah.
Okay, compare that to
Even
Bamboo.
if he was,
How about comparing the two, Bamboo Manalak and Rico Blanco?
I'll go with Bamboo.
You know what?
I'd go with Jericho
Song-
Rosales.
No, songwriting.
God, no.
I'll go with Rico
For the love of
Blanco.
God, no Jericho Rosales and Sam Milby, please.
And Piolo
Especially
Pascual.
Piolo Pascual.
Please. No, songwriting, I'll go with Rico Blanco.
We're not against those artists, but we hate them.
No, I don't hate
You know,
Rico.
you
I
hate.
hate Piolo Pascual.
I love Bamboo Manalak though.
I love
Yeah, Bamboo the.
He killed himself.
Bamboo's the bomb.
Yes, friend.
Oh my
yeah.
God.
Sadly, Bamboo
Who's the dude in
was
Kwan
being
nga pala?
disbanded.
Mark Abaya! Oh my
Oh,
God.
You know what the trend
Of
nowadays?
Kwan?
The trend nowadays.
Of
the
Kwan?
rockers
Yeah.
are now going on screen
Oo nga.
for teleseries.
Oo.
Like,
So, is
Mark Abaya, it started with Mark Abaya, and now Rico Blanco, and who's next?
Yeah.
Who do you think would...
bamboo.
I don't know.
No.
Parang hindi siya bagay
yeah.
No.
as our...
Champ, Louis Pio.
Champ.
okay
Because
lang.
he announced in August 2010 that there'll be disbanding, and he'd be
Talaga?
focusing, yes.
He will,
with that-
he will be
Yeah,
disbanded?
in-announce niya na disbanded
How about-
na sila.
disbanded na sila? How about
I-announce
replacing
niya
him
na
as...
Na hindi pa alam ng mga kabandmates niya.
Oh, grabe
And
ma.
that became an... Kasi, di ba nag-focus siya dun sa... What's that? Haring Hahabagat?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, Hanging Habagat
When
is
he
his single.
Solo album.
Yeah.
Being a solo artist. And now, nag-focus daw siya sa pagiging actor.
Actor?
Ano siya, magka-tandem sa ni Bianca
I would
King.
hate him for that. There will be a Mulawin part 2.
No, God no.
Bianca King, sino magkasama?
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah,
just
I'd
kidding.
like him doing the bamboo with the bamboo. I know, with the hail, with the bamboo.
I prefer him doing the bamboo.
No, imagine Champ doing the bamboo on or with the band.
Too bad that was very good band 2005 they came
Yeah.
out.
Pero wala lang talaga yun eh.
Even
It's
Sugar
disbanded. Malay nyo,
You know what, their last performance yung Sugar Free was at Lagunoy.
Lagnoy.
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 Yeah, malay nyo, there will be a reunion of
Not Sugar
bands.
Free.
Imagine
Salt
if
Free.
if-
para sa mga youth
Imagine
fans.
if reunion of bands, biglaan lahat ng banda nag-reunion.
Uy, cool yun ah.
Nag-reunite,
Mga legendary
wow.
bands. The Teeth.
Like us.
The Teeth.
Kulay.
Yeah, Kulay was...
Okay, TLC.
Vana Vana.
No, TLC ba? Di ba TLC was
Vana.
3?
Ha?
Bakit dalawa na lang sila?
Si Lisa.
Talaga?
Oo, si
She's
Left
dead?
Eye.
Hindi niya kasi ako tinext eh.
That was
decades ago.
Oh, I didn't know.
Decade ago.
Hindi ko alam. Sorry nga,
Alam
sorry.
mo, patay na si Aliyah.
Oo, alam ko.
Pwede nga.
Sa ano, train crash?
Hindi ko yan, alam. Kaya, hindi ko yan, alam ko, patay na si Rico yan.
Ay, patay na ba
Si
siya?
Michael Jackson.
Patay na ba
Ay,
si Rico yan?
talaga? Parang
Sabi ko,
nag-
patay na si Rico, hindi pa kaya. Tumatawag pa.
Talaga?
sa train na.
Ay, tumawag ba siya sa inyo?
Tumatawag pa yan.
Hindi na siya nag-text eh.
Oo, yan.
Anyway.
Ay, pangit.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Justin Bieber will be next.
Again, thank you for you guys listening.
No, wait lang. I remembered.
I'm wrapping up the show.
Wait lang.
Okay, last.
Sabi ni Justin Bieber. I feel like the Kurt Cobain of my...
Oh my God.
The what?
Sabi ni Justin Bieber. I feel like the Kurt Cobain of my...
Yeah.
of my generation, but people don't understand me. Sabi ni Justin
Bakit daw?
Bieber. Misunderstood siya ng people. Come on, people were becoming very popular. And now, sabi ni Justin Bieber,
Hey, overtime na tayo.
sabi niya,
Nandiyan na si
siya
Chief.
daw yung Kurt Cobain ng generation nila. That's why he killed himself.
Yeah.
You should kill him. No, we're not against Justin Bieber.
Again. Okay, let's
But I hate
end this
He's
show.
not good at doing the doggy.
Wala akong masabi dyan. Uy, para na kayong tuod. Kanina pa kayo
Stop mo
nakaganyan.
na.
Okay, I'll stop the